Cub and I were having lunch over here the other day, and he chirped yet again, said something about doubt that metal core will run overhead.
I still don't think you can run that overhead.
Next week.
All right.
It's on. Well, I know I can do it, and I'm thinking you can too.
I don't know.
Got your machine all set up. We're running Select Arc 70C metal core 035, 26.5 volts, 400 on the wire feed speed. Should be nice and crispy, should be hot. And we've got a section of a weld over here that you can do overhead. Let's get our gear on. You can do this. All right, sir, here we go. We got you set up. We're gonna do 26.5 volts, 400 on the wire feed speed. You nervous? What do you think's gonna happen? You think it's gonna boil out of here and get saggy and stuff?
Saggy, it's gonna look like
Trust it. You know, you need to have just a slight push angle on here because again, we're hot. We're like almost to the spray mode. You can stitch. It's better to kind of travel smooth. You can manipulate this some. Just don't whip it. Different, huh?
Yeah, for sure. It was not what I expected.
What'd you expect? Drippy?
Drippy.
Told you it'd stick up there.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
So, you remember that one time at Weld camp where you learned overhead metal core?
Yeah.
Looks like I owe you dinner now, but that's not bad. That's not bad.
I won't ever forget that.
Wire angle, you know, you gotta treat that wire. I didn't say anything, but a couple times it looked like you were getting down here on this part instead of being in the middle. But hey, look how your profile laid in there. So you practice this, you run this multiple times, and kind of get the hang of it and learn little tricks. You were moving some, probably a little more down here, where you're oscillating the wire back and forth. Look how it laid in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it looks a little bit better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did.
And you know, again, you're not going to carry a whole bunch of metal overhead, but at least you can get this in there pretty tight. You get a good profile out of it.
You get good penetration with this metal core usually?
Well, as I was watching it, I mean, I'm watching it dig in there on the front side of it. Again, you're real close to spray mode. Why don't we cut a section out here and etch it and look at it?
Sweet.
Okay. There's your cutting edge. I hope you're satisfied with that.
Yeah, we got some penetration, pretty good throat right here, penetration.
Yep. You got into the effective throat well.
Yeah, I don't see no wormhole.
Oh, you won't. You won't. Not on a fillet weld like that.
Yeah, I'm pretty.
I think that's pretty successful. Yep. So now you can learn wire angle, travel speed. You can drive that in there overhead. It'll run overhead.
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it.
Trust the old guy. You know, it'll do it.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't bet, but I think I owe you dinner on that. Oh, it ain't funny.
Yeah,
It's not funny, but I'll buy you. It's not funny, but I'll buy you dinner. How about that?
Feels good. I got one under my belt, one win.
I learned a little bit here watching you, so I hope the viewers did too. Appreciate your subscription to Weld.com. Please check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Big hand for the Cub.